Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. There's a line often repeated in ancient texts: do not pray for an easy life, pray to be a stronger person. Chaos will come. You can't stop the world from spinning, crashing or burning, but you can stand tall in the storm. This episode is about developing unshakable confidence, not by avoiding chaos, but by facing it and saying, let the storm come, I am ready. Let's begin. Lo sto calm. Part 1. You can't control the storm, but you can prepare the ground. Storms are part of life. Unexpected loss, public failure, sudden betrayal, global unrest, internal collapse. Most people run. Some hide, some crumble. But the Stoic, they breathe, they stand, they welcome the test, because every storm is a training ground, a chance to prove what you've built. Part 2. What Stoic confidence really means. Confidence is not noise, it's not arrogance, it's not a performance. Stoic confidence is calm, rooted, silent, earned through trial. Epictetus said, "How long will you wait before you demand the best of yourself?" Aurelius wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think, I may meet with interference, ingratitude, insolence, but none of it can harm me unless I let it." Confidence is choosing presence over panic again and again. Part 3. Why the world needs Stoic strength right now. Close. We live in an age of speed, outrage, fear loops, distractions, external validation. Most people look confident, but are easily shaken. The Stoic looks still, but is deeply grounded. In a collapsing world, be the one who does not collapse. That's not coldness, that's clarity. Part 4. How to build storm-proof confidence. 1. Face discomfort on purpose. Don't run from what's hard. Turn toward it. Have the tough conversation. Sit with the uncertainty. Practice rejection. Fast from comfort. Each time you choose the hard road, you add another layer of mental armor. 2. Ask, what's in my control right now? When chaos hits, most people spiral. You ask, what's mine to manage? Focus shrinks anxiety. Presence restores power. You don't need to fix everything. Just command your next move. 3. Visualize chaos. Train for it. Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, imagining difficulty before it arrived. Try it. Visualize failure, rehearse loss, see the plan fall apart. Then say, let it come, I'll meet it with virtue. Confidence is preparation, not perfection. 4. Anchor to inner standards, not outer noise. You are not their opinion, your last mistake, today's performance, this moment's failure. You are the values you live by, the character you choose under stress, the discipline you keep when no one's watching. Storms can shake your world, but not your soul, if it's anchored. 5. Adopt the identity of a Stoic. You don't build confidence from the outside in, you build it from identity. Ask, what does a Stoic do here? Then do it, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. This is earned confidence, forged in repetition, adversity, and refusal to quit. Part 5. Stoic quotes to weather any storm. You don't have to turn this into something. It doesn't have to upset you. Marcus Aurelius. Freedom is the ability to live as you wish and not be controlled by fear. Epictetus. No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself. Seneca. Part 6. What Stoic confidence gives you. Okay. Unshakable calm, a sharp mind under pressure, the ability to pause, then move. Deeper trust in yourself, detachment from chaos, the quiet power of consistency. You no longer need approval. You no longer fear judgment. You simply walk, aligned, unbothered, steady. Part 7. This is not about being unfeeling. You'll still feel doubt. You'll still tremble. You'll still want to run. But Stoic confidence says, I won't be ruled by that. I choose courage over comfort. You act not because it's easy, but because it's necessary. So want to run. Part 8. Daily practices for inner fortitude. Morning mantra, let the storm come. End of day question. Did I choose courage today? Practice silence instead of defense. Train in discomfort, cold, delay, uncertainty. Read Stoic texts when shaken, not when it's easy. Confidence isn't loud, it's loyal to virtue. Conclusion. Let the storm come. Don't wait for life to stop testing you. Don't waste time hoping for ease. Stand now. Walk steady. And when the storm comes, smile and say, I've trained for this. I was born for this. I am the calm within. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this message gave you strength for your storm, like it, share it, and leave a comment. What chaos are you facing, and what Stoic strength will you bring to it? Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay Stoic.